Today we learn important English words for body parts. The lesson focuses on eyes, nose, and mouth. These are the first words you need to know for basic English conversation about the face. Eye is a single eye, pronounced eye. Eyes is the plural form when talking about both eyes, pronounced eyes. We use these words when describing what we see or pointing to our eyes. Nose is a single nose, pronounced nose. Noses is the plural form, pronounced noses. We use nose when talking about smelling things or breathing through our nose. Mouth is a single mouth, pronounced mouth. Mouths is the plural form, pronounced mouths. We use mouth when talking about eating, speaking, or smiling. Tooth is one tooth. Teeth is the plural form, pronounced tooth and teeth. Tongue is the muscle inside your mouth, pronounced tongue. Gum is the pink part around teeth, pronounced gum. Cheek is the side of your face, pronounced cheek. Lip is one lip. Lips is the plural form, pronounced lip and lips. Tongue is the muscle you use for tasting and speaking, pronounced tongue. Tongues is the plural form, pronounced tongues. Tooth is one tooth, pronounced tooth. Teeth is the plural form, pronounced teeth. This is a special, irregular plural. You change U to E when making it plural. Here is the complete list. Eye, eyes, nose, noses, mouth, lip, tongue, tooth, and teeth. Practice these words every day. They are very important for basic English conversation.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.